Hi, I'm Uzma Hafiz. Welcome to my channel TSP Tech Series. As you know that while teaching we usually need whiteboard to interact with students. So today we are going to learn how to use a digital whiteboard that is called a Jamboard, and this product is developed by Google. So let's see how to access its layout. First of all, open your browser and log into your Google account. Okay, write your ID and password if you have it already, and if you don't have your Google account, then you have to first create a new account. So I have already an account, so I am writing my ID and password here. So once you will be logged in, click on this Google app, scroll down and click on Jamboard. You can also access this Jamboard by writing jamboard.google.com directly. Okay, now I'm going to click on this plus sign. It means that plus means that we are going to create a new jam. Okay, now from here you can change its name. Like I'm writing the topic name that I am teaching these days, reproduction of flowering plants. You can, if you want to change it again, you can click on this rename and you can change it again. Now, if you can see, there are some tools available on the left hand side and on the top. This is the zoom option. You can set your screen like 50% or at 100%, whatever you like. You can change the background from here. You can set simple backgrounds or grid backgrounds. Okay, now let's explore these left hand side tools. If you want to write anything with a pen, you can use, there are different options: pen, marker, highlighter or brush. So I'm going to select a pen here. Writing with a pen needs practice as it's a free handwriting tool, and if you want to erase anything, you can select this erase option. For selecting anything, you can select this arrow option, and there is a very interesting option available here that is called sticky note. If you click on sticky note, you can write anything here like stages of flowering plant. Now a sticky note has been created. You can make it small or large. If you want to edit it, you can click edit. If you want to make a copy of it, you can click on duplicate, and you can also delete it. For example, I'm clicking on duplicate. Now I'm clicking double click on it. You can also edit by double clicking. So like this, you can make sticky notes. Okay, if you want to draw some shape, there are different shapes available like circle, square, rhombus, whatever you want to draw. And if you want to write any text, click on this text and you can write like I wrote a text here, and you can also make it small or large. Now if you want to add any image, you can click on add image. If the image is already stored on your device, then click select files from your device, and you can also search it from the Google directly. Like I'm going to search about plants. So I want a picture of a plant, and then I will select any plant from here and I will add it on my slide. Okay, now this is our first slide. If you want to add more slides, you can click on this expand button and there is a plus sign. If you click on plus sign, a new frame will be added, and this is now first frame and this is the second frame. Now you can add as many frames as you want. And this is a laser option. When during the lecture, if you want to highlight something, you can use this laser option. When you will be done with your work, you can download it as PDF, you can download it as an image, you can make a copy of it, you can remove it. Okay, and the most interesting thing is that you can share it with your teachers, with your students, or with anyone you want by clicking on this shared button. Okay, this is the link. You can copy the link from here and you can share this link with anyone through email or through Google Meet or through chat. And you can set this option here, like if you want anyone to just view your work, you can click on view, and if you want your students, for example, to edit your work also, so you can click on edit. So here share with the people and groups, you can here write the name, email ID of the person whom you want to send your work, so you can write the email ID here and click on done. Okay, so look at this, Jamboard is attached here, and now when I will click, and from here you can select as viewer or editor, and then you can click on send, and this Jamboard will be sent to your the person whom you want to send it.
I hope that you find this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please click the like button below. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about technology for teachers and students. Thanks for watching.